Welcome to Napa Valley, California, a destination where luxury meets natural beauty. This iconic region beckons travelers seeking an unforgettable escape. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world of exquisite tastes and breathtaking landscapes. Napa Valley is home to over 400 world-class wineries, each offering a unique story in every glass. Explore historic estates and modern vineyards, savoring award-winning Cabernet Sauvignon, Chardonnay, and more. Guided tastings provide an intimate look into the art of winemaking. Beyond the vine, Napa Valley boasts a vibrant gourmet dining scene. Michelin-starred restaurants and farm-to-table eateries celebrate local produce and culinary innovation. Pair your exquisite meals with the perfect regional wine for an unparalleled gastronomic experience. Elevate your perspective with a serene hot air balloon ride at dawn, offering panoramic views of rolling vineyards. For ultimate relaxation, indulge in luxurious spa treatments or unwind in the therapeutic geothermal hot springs. Napa Valley offers rejuvenation for body and soul. Whether you're a wine connoisseur, a foodie, or simply seeking a romantic getaway, Napa Valley delivers. It's a place where every moment is crafted for enjoyment and discovery. Plan your journey to this Californian paradise and create lasting memories.